You're stuck barefoot at TSA, sweating in your hoodie, and your belt buckles just set off the alarm for the third time. The agent is giving you that look, the line of impatient travelers behind you is growing, and you're fumbling to put your shoes back on while juggling your laptop and passport. This isn't just a bad dream, it's a travel reality for millions. Don't let this be you. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what not to wear to the airport and reveal the perfect travel outfit that will help you save time, maximize your comfort, and completely eliminate that TSA stress. Your travel day should start with excitement, not embarrassment. Let's get one thing straight. Your airport outfit actually matters. This isn't just about looking good for an Instagram post at the gate. This is about strategy. TSA delays, believe it or not, often come down to what people are wearing. Think about it from a practical standpoint. You're dealing with massive temperature swings, from a climate-controlled terminal to a stuffy, cramped airplane cabin that can suddenly turn Arctic mid-flight. You need an outfit that can adapt. You also need ease of movement for rushing to a distant gate or lifting a carry-on into the overhead bin. We've all seen the travel fails, or maybe we've even been the travel fail. Ever tried wriggling out of a stylish but complicated jumpsuit in an airplane bathroom the size of a closet? It's a workout nobody asked for at 30,000 feet. Or how about being that person, the one holding up the entire security line, desperately trying to unlace a pair of knee-high combat boots while 100 pairs of eyes are burning into your back? It's moments like these that can turn a trip from exciting to excruciating. Choosing the right airport outfit is about more than clothes. It's about staying in control, feeling comfortable in your own skin, and starting your journey on the right foot. Literally. The perfect airport outfit is your first line of defense against travel day chaos, ensuring you feel composed and ready for whatever comes your way. So to save you from that fate, let's dive into the definitive list of clothing and accessories you should absolutely never wear at the airport. This is the fast-track guide to avoiding rookie mistakes. First up, and this is a big one, anything with excessive metal. This includes underwire bras, jeans with decorative metal rhinestones, and of course, large, flashy belt buckles. These are practically guaranteed to trigger the metal detectors, forcing you into that dreaded secondary screening. The pat-down is an experience we can all live without. Your goal is to glide through security, not get flagged for a fashion choice. So pack the metal-adorned items in your check bag and opt for comfort and simplicity on your person. Next on the blacklist is complicated footwear. I'm talking about lace-up boots, strappy gladiator sandals, or sky-high heels. Anything that takes more than 3 seconds to take off or put back on is a liability at the security checkpoint. You'll be fumbling with them while trying to gather your belongings, creating a bottleneck for everyone behind you. Plus, heels are a nightmare for dashing across a sprawling airport terminal, and open-toed sandals leave you vulnerable to dirty floors and stubbed toes. Your feet will thank you for choosing practicality over momentary style. Let's talk about bulky layers or excessively oversized clothing. While a giant puffy coat might seem cozy, it's a nightmare to manage. You'll be sweating in it while standing in line, and it takes up a massive amount of space in your carry-on or on your lap. Furthermore, very loose or baggy clothing can sometimes raise suspicion with security, as it can be perceived as a way to conceal items. The key is strategic layering, not overwhelming bulk. This might be controversial for some, but I'm putting tight waistbands and super skinny jeans on the avoid list. Sure, they might look great, but true travel comfort is paramount. When you're sitting for hours on a plane, your body can naturally bloat slightly due to the cabin pressure and inactivity. A restrictive waistband will quickly go from snug to suffocating. You want fabrics that have some give and allow for circulation, which is crucial for preventing discomfort and more serious issues like deep vein thrombosis on long-haul flights. A major offender in travel fashion is the jumpsuit or romper. While effortlessly chic on the ground, they are a logistical nightmare in the air. Facing a bathroom break in an airplane lavatory is already a challenge of spatial awareness. Trying to entirely disrobe in that tiny space, making sure your outfit doesn't touch the questionable floor, is an acrobatic feat that will fill you with instant regret. Stick to separates, it's just not worth the hassle. And finally, jewelry. While a few simple, non-metallic pieces are usually fine, avoid wearing your entire collection through TSA security. Chunky necklaces, bangle bracelets, and large earrings can all potentially set off alarms. More importantly, in the rush of the security line, it's incredibly easy for a piece to get snagged, left behind in a bin, or lost. The safest place for your valuable jewelry is packed securely in your carry-on bag, not on your body. Here's a pro tip to remember through all of this. Avoid clothes that look good but feel bad. If you wouldn't want to sit on your couch and watch a 3-hour movie in it, you definitely don't want to wear it for a long travel day. Now that we know what to avoid, let's build the perfect, smart traveler outfit. This is the formula for an unbeatable combination of comfort, style, and efficiency. Let's start from the ground up. Your shoes. The ultimate choice is a pair of comfortable running shoes or simple slip-ons. Running shoes provide excellent support for those long walks between gates and are easy to wear for hours. Slip-on styles like a classic Vans or Skechers are the gold standard for getting through TSA security with zero fuss. You can slide them off and on in seconds. Inside those shoes, wear compression socks, especially for any flight over 4 hours. This is a non-negotiable for seasoned travelers. They might not be the most fashionable item, but their function is incredible. They apply gentle pressure to your legs, which helps promote blood circulation and dramatically reduces swelling and the risk of blood clots. Your legs will feel noticeably fresher and less fatigued upon arrival. This is a key element for maintaining your travel comfort. For your bottom half, think stretch and breathability. High-quality leggings or soft, stylish joggers are your best friends. Look for materials with spandex or elastan and a comfortable, elastic, or drawstring waistband. This gives you total freedom of movement and ensures you won't feel restricted, even after hours of sitting. They are versatile enough to look put together while feeling as comfortable as pajamas. Now for the top half, where the art of layering comes into play. This is your secret weapon against the plane's unpredictable climate. Start with a base layer, like a soft, moisture-wicking tank top. This helps manage any sweat from rushing through the airport. Over that, add a comfortable t-shirt or a high-neck tee. The final crucial piece is a zip-up hoodie or a light zip front jacket. The zip-up is key because you can easily open it up if you get warm or take it off entirely without messing up your hair. It's far more practical than a pullover. Finally, let's talk accessories. The small things that make a huge difference. Opt for a wire-free bra for maximum comfort and to avoid any potential metal detector issues. A large, soft scarf is a fantastic multi-purpose item. It can add a touch of style, act as a blanket when the cabin gets cold, or be rolled up into a makeshift pillow. Of course, a dedicated neck pillow and a sleep mask are essentials for red eyes or long flights. Pack noise-canceling headphones or earplugs to block out engine noise and crying babies. Also, don't forget that the cabin air is incredibly dry, so keep lip balm and a travel-sized hand sanitizer and moisturizer in an easily accessible pocket. A little sunscreen is a good idea too, as you're closer to the sun's rays at altitude. And if you need them, keep your reading glasses handy. So let's recap your go-to travel outfit formula one last time, your perfect airport uniform. First, on the bottom, comfortable, elastic waist pants like joggers or leggings. Second, on your feet, easy to remove slip-on shoes or supportive sneakers. Third, on your top, a strategic 3-piece layering system with a base layer, a t-shirt, and a zip-up hoodie. Fourth, on your legs, compression socks for long-haul health and comfort. And fifth, your accessories, a multi-purpose scarf and a small kit with your in-flight comfort essentials. Wear this exact combination, and I promise you, you will breeze through security, feel incredible in the air, and arrive at your destination ready for adventure, not in need of a recovery nap from your own outfit. If this video helped you plan your next travel day, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe for more practical travel hacks every single week. It truly helps the channel. Now, I want to hear from you. Comment below with your absolute favorite airport outfit, or for a laugh, tell us your worst travel fashion disaster. We've all had one. And if you're looking for any of the gear I mentioned, from my favorite joggers to the compression socks that saved my legs on a flight to Tokyo, everything I use is linked for you in the description below. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next one.